But sanitation is numero uno because you do not want to contract different germs from your previous clients onto the next clients and for them to take it to home to their friends and family. So, sanitation, let's get into it. You gotta make sure that each and every time you deal with a new client, you sanitize your tools, you wipe down your chair, you give them a new neck strip every time they come in, you make sure that they use hand sanitizer before you shake their hand, and you're good to go. Give yourself a routine when it comes to cleaning clippers. Here's mine. I'll take each and every clipper and trimmer that I have. I'll have a designated brush specifically for cleaning hair off your clippers and your trimmers. This does not go anywhere else. There are specific areas that you need to tackle. The blades, possibly all the grooves and crevices of the body of the clipper, also the trimmer as well. This one has a lot of beveled edges on the side here. Hairs tend to get locked up and lost inside of these bevels. So this is what you're gonna do. You get your clipper, you're gonna open it. You're gonna brush all the little crevices in and out. Teeth as well, it's like brushing your own teeth. You'll see all the dead skin cells fly. You'll see all the dead hair fly. Get all the grooves on the inside. Then you're gonna close your lever. You're gonna close it. You get to access different parts of the blade doing that. Do the same thing. Make sure you don't breathe this in or else you're just breathing in dead skin cells. So we don't want that. You do the same thing for all the other clippers. We'll jump over to the trimmers, do the same thing. Trimmers are pretty meticulous. You gotta make sure you get all those little itty bitty hairs out. The trimmer does all the precise cutting and trimming work, so it's gonna have way smaller hair particles. It's not nice. Next, you're gonna get your 5-in-1. They all work the same. There's not one better than the other. We just prefer using the Andis Cool Care. And then you're gonna run your clipper. I like having it closed. You're gonna spray. And you hear that motor revving a bit higher, which means that lubricant is fast acting. I'll do it again. With this one, you'll hear it. You hear that motor just hum a bit higher? It's working. So just one spritz will do you just fine.
Combs must go in a barbicide jar. Straight razor and scissors must go in a separate jar that have alcohol in them. All tools must be let for rest for 10 minutes before use on next clients for the disinfectant to really take action. Barber chairs must be sprayed with the water and soft touch soap solution and then wiped down with paper towels. And lastly, all capes that come in contact with clientele must be sprayed down with alcohol in every single contact region that cape has touched your client.
Now, the most important thing that we must understand is that it takes 10 minutes for this solution to really take effect in order for this sanitation to really set itself into these clippers and trimmers. So giving yourself that little 10-minute window between cutting clients just for sanitary purposes will be the best thing that's ever happened to you and will get you ready for the next client. That's sanitation.